In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check in on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, make sure you are signed into your account, and after that tap right here at the very top where it says what's on your mind. It allows us to create a new post, so we can add there some text, we can attach there some photos or videos or tag someone, and also in here we can easily find an option which is called check in. So if we tap on it, we'll be able to select any location from suggested, and also we'll be able to search for some specific location. In this way we can check in on Facebook. All we have to do now is just tap at post.